What do you like? I thought you like food.
What's this?
I don't know.
What's this?
Come on.
Oh, what is this?
You have to choose one only.
Oh, okay, Mom. What's this book?
Maybe it's candy. Candy inside.
Oh, where's the packet?
Can I see? What's, ano to?
Laruan po. Ano yung laruan?
Toy lang siya. You put it back. Get another one.
Oh, wait. Then, oh, what's this for too? Mom, what's this? It's toy, Mom.
Yeah.
It's toy movie. But this, Mommy, I found something. It's a bubble.
Oh, you find na another one. Which one do you like?
What is it?
There's a that's Kinder Joy. It has chocolates inside.
It's like gray.
Come on. Can you make it fast?
No, oh, what's this?
Toy lang yata gusto mo, hindi naman food eh.
Ano ba to?
Bubbles.
Bubble stick?
Yeah.
Mom,
You want this one? That one?
I want to choose.
Oh, go. You choose na.
I want.
You can go around. So you can choose. Go. Make it fast. Daddy's waiting outside.
What was the another food?
There. You go around. There. Here. Oh, you can choose.
Mama, it's not food. It's chocolate.
Mm.
Let's find another one.
Go. You find another one.
It's fun day.
Go. Get one. What do you want? Come on. Sa dami, di ka makapamili.
Daddy, ano yung miss ko, Mama?
Gusto mo ba ng toy?
Kaya tayo food, Ma. Ay, ito ko to.
You want that? Are you sure? Oh, sige na, you pay na. Magkano po yun? Kinder Joy.
Coffee.
Okay na.
Mama. Mommy.
Yes? Are you happy? Is that all? Oh, which one pa?
What's this?
You can't open it unless you pay it. Come on. Let's go. Next time naman. What?
More.
Okay, you go. Go. You want that?
What's this?
Oh, you choose. Which one?
More pa?
Just one.
Mom?
Yan?
Mom, I choose another one.
Okay, go. Just one more, okay?
Mom, can I buy this?
What's that?
It's amazing.
No, it's not tumbler. Parang,
That's mermaid.
I don't know what's that eh.
That's mermaid.
Go. Ito na lang. Come on, let's go out. I just choose one. Choose one only. Okay. Magkano po yun? Yung candy na yun?
10 pesos.
Okay. Okay.
16.
You hold this one.
Boy pa?
Oh, sige na. Ito oh. Thank you. Are you happy na? Huh? Are you happy? Come on, let's go.